Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing part of my Need It, Thinking About It, and Passing on It series. This was not my idea. I always try to say that in every one of my videos. I started watching this when Samantha March was doing it, and I believe a few other. I know like Nicole Cutler does these videos. So yeah, anyways, there is so much new makeup releasing all the time. Super overwhelming and very hard to decide what to get, especially as being a new YouTuber and trying to figure out what you guys are excited for. So this is a way for me to talk through it, for me not to commit to spending all my money, and let me know kind of what your guys' thoughts are as well. I love to film these videos and I love to watch them just to see what everyone else is thinking as well. But yes, Need It means I am definitely going to be picking it up. Like, you're coming home for show. And then Thinking About It is kind of just like second date vibes. Like, I'll think about you. I don't know about you, you know? Like, you're not getting in my house yet. And then Passing On It just means I'm probably not interested. I have something like it, or it's just not unique enough for me to spend my hard-earned money on. And yeah, those are my explanations. Let's go ahead and get into these releases. Please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into that video. I'm in a very big mug stage right now where I want like every cute mug that ever existed. I don't know why I need to mention that, but I do. For some reason, I'm in love with coffee mugs right now. Like, I just bought a coffee mug rack and I've accumulated tons. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, this makeup look will be on my channel probably within the next week, but I did film that as well in case you are interested. And let's go ahead and get into the series. So we are going to talk about things I am thinking about first, which means I am not necessarily going to buy them, but I'm thinking about buying them, you know? I haven't pulled the trigger yet. So ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, is releasing some glitters. I really like glitters, except for I don't use them. They're one of those things that I think are gorgeous, and then I get them and then they sit in a drawer because I don't want to find glitter glue. I don't want to deal with the mess. Like, I don't know. So I'm trying to convince myself that I definitely don't need those, because the glitters I do have, I have not used, even though I was super excited when I got them. And I still love them, but I have never tried them. So let me know if you guys want to see a glitter look, because I got some glitters to open for sure. I have all my stuff down in my little notebook. I got a little inspirational notebook. It gives me little sayings every day. Today's is small opportunities are often the beginning of great enterprises. So they're just, you know, every page has a little saying on it, and it's just nice. I love this little thing. Anyways, not the point. Next, the Louise is coming out with different color bases. I love this idea and I do want to pick it up, but I have never actually tried the normal base. Let me know if you guys have before. I won't pay for shipping. I am very cheap when it comes to shipping. Like, I'm just like, anything over $7 I don't want to do. So let me know if it's worth the shipping price, because I add that onto the cost of the actual base, and then I'm like, this is an eyeshadow base, that's not worth the money. So I want it, but I don't know if I will actually pay to have it shipped to me. I would love it. I'm really hoping they start coming out on like Beauty Bay or something that has some type of international shipping that's not so bad from their website. But if you have a place, let me know. Next, let's see. I am thinking about some of the new Fenty products for the holidays. They are limited edition. This Kilowatt palette looks really pretty to me. I love her Kilowatt formula. I've done a lot of Fenty reviews on my channel and I love the brand. I look at this though and I see more of an eyeshadow palette than a highlighting palette. Not to say that I don't like unique colors as a highlighter, because I do, but it's like some of these are just gonna be way too deep to even pull off, as opposed to like, you know, like the normal like pinkish holographic type hues. Like, this is just too deep, which I'm not complaining about because there's some lighter shades in there. I think I will use it as a multi-use type palette that I do want to pick up. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on that. As far as the rest of the stuff in the palette and the collection goes, I think I'll probably skip over like the mini pom-pom thing, even though I have the big one, and I just love the whole experience of just like it makes you feel so luxurious and just But reality, I forget to use it before I actually go out. I'm usually rushing to get ready to go out. I'm pulling off a million things about like what I want to wear. What about this? What about that? Did I forget my settings? Like no, like those and body oils, I love the theory of them, but do I actually use them in real life? No, I forget. They're just sitting pretty. So yeah, I will skip over that. As far as the actual like lip and pencil things that they have coming out, I'm not really much a metallic lip person. I think I will probably just stick to that Kilowatt palette. So yeah, I'm trying to control myself, practicing self-control on my channel. We'll see how it goes. Things that I think I will definitely be picking up, the Pat McGrath palette. She is releasing mini palettes again, and I love that she's releasing mini palettes because I don't get a lot of use out of her big one that I do own. The mini one I use all the time, so $55. I don't know which one I'm gonna get yet, but I will probably pick one of these up. Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona are like my high-end palettes. I actually do prefer the Pat McGrath. I think it's more worth the price point than Natasha, but at the same time, like Natasha Denona, I reach for her whole entire palette for different looks, whereas with Pat McGrath, I reach for those 4 special shades for looks. So that is kind of the difference of them. So I can't say one is better than the other because I don't love the like most of the shades in Pat McGrath. It's like there's 4 special shades and maybe a few other ones, but there's also a whole side of the palette that I don't use. Whereas Natasha Denona, I generally use the entire palette. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I am very intrigued by the Kylie Halloween collection. Kylie's always a hit or miss for me. I never know exactly what I'm gonna get, but I kind of like this highlighter, guys. I saw Nicole Concealio swatch it. She did not like it, but I kind of like odd highlights, not like pink, purple, crazy ones, which I have, but I kind of like that this is a weirder color. Let me know what you guys think of it, but I'm kind of like, I kind of want to try it. And then the packaging of this collection is what gets me. I love Halloween. I am a Halloween person. It is my favorite holiday. The packaging is calling my name. I do not need this eyeshadow palette because I don't like the colors in here. It's not something I feel like is unique. Like there's not one shade in here that I'm like, I already have that. So the palette I have to pass on, even though I love the whole idea of the collection and the packaging and everything is just, it's the packaging. Let me know what you guys buy because of packaging because I would love to know. I do think the Creep It Real is probably going to be calling my name because I love nude lipsticks, even though I have a ton and I don't need it. But in my mind, I'm like, I need you. So I will probably pick up a few things in that collection, but not everything, you know? I'm gonna try to behave. Things I am definitely passing on, the Grinch collection from Pure Cosmetics. I don't really get the whole Grinch theme from this palette. I love the Grinch. My nickname was the Grinch for my family because they said my heart was too small. Yeah, but this does not scream Grinch to me. It doesn't scream Christmas to me. I feel like I'm always disappointed in palettes that have these themes. The theme I love, and then the products I don't. Like, I got the Alice in Wonderland palette a long time ago, and I never reached for that palette. My sister, who barely buys makeup, bought that palette for the same reason, and she was like, I don't like this at all. So I feel like they're good theories, and then I don't understand why they don't translate. Like, what about this says Grinch or Christmas? Like, just no. Another thing I'll be passing on is the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighters. I've actually never tried them before, so if you have them, let me know. I just, like I said, I'm kind of more like being pickier about which highlights and trying to make sure they're somewhat unique, whereas these kind of look more like highlights I already have in my collection. I could be wrong. But yeah, it's one that I will definitely wait for. I don't think I will be purchasing. But I think that is about it. I don't have too much, which I'm very happy about because of the Natasha Denona this month. My budget is small, is little. So yeah, I think out of anything, the Pat McGrath looks the most interesting to me, and then a few of the Kylie Halloween products. Let me know what you guys are thinking about, what you guys are going to be picking up, what you're definitely passing on, your views, all that. I know you guys have opinions because you love to share them, and I would love more of them. I actually do really love reading your guys' comments and talking about makeup. So let me know what you guys are going to get, and I will stop rambling on. Let me know if I missed anything, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye guys.